Okay, my people, this is dough the dough for my egg roll. Oh yes, this is the consistency of the dough you are looking at. Yes, it should not be too soft and it should not be too hard. Yes, it should not be too hard. I'm sorry I did not show you guys how I mixed it, but the mixture is just very simple. It's just mixing the all the ingredients in the previous video. You mix them together, then you start adding your water. I'm sorry for the beginners. I'm sorry I did not show you that part, but this is something you can do. You do not have to stress yourself in doing it. Then the very important part is how your dough will look like. Yes, this is it. It is sticky. Yes. This is it. You know, yeast is a very fast raising agent. So while you're doing it, do not add much water. Wash it. You would be adding the water bit by bit, so you do not end up having a very soft dough. This consistency is okay. So now I'm going to allow this to rest for like some minutes while I go ahead and peel my eggs. Yeah, I have just 20 pieces of eggs here, and normally I used to make 30-35 pieces before, but today I do not have enough eggs, so I'm just going to make do with 20 pieces. So I'm just going to allow this dough to rest for some time while I peel my eggs. I'm just going to cover it, then allow it to rest. I would be fast in doing that so that it do not rise more than this. Yes, yeast is fast